Hey guys, it's me Angie. I'm going to teach you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Solving it takes some time to figure out the best method for yourself. It took me a couple of days, maybe weeks, maybe months, or a year or whatever, but I eventually learned. So now I'm going to help you guys learn how to solve one too. So, basically, I like to start off with green. Well, maybe I'm gonna try to do it.
Might have been way too fast for you guys to solve it, so I'm gonna just, mix it all up. No cheating here, if I can. I might have been too slow, too fast, I don't know. But I'm gonna do it a little slower for you guys, because I might have been a little too fast. Alright. Alright, well, you can start out with any color, whichever. I like starting with green, but, I could change that color to, like, starting with yellow or whatever. But I'm gonna start with green. Okay, so first, what you do is this. You make a cross with it, basically. Just like this. Boom. Now, you fill it in with the other green corners, like that. Ah, second. Just that, one more. Oops, stuck on it. Oh, nope, did the same thing. That's it. Oh, I have it. Alright, there. Now I flip it upside down, and then I choose a random color to go with this, which is all red. And then I do this, and this, and then that, and then this, and then that, and then that. And then I continue doing that until I get all the colors matching on the middle row. So let's see. So you go this, that, this. And it's almost there. You do and this, that, and then this. Boom, look. That's all you need, the second row. Now the last part. Well, not really the last part, but oh man, it's stuck. Oops. Oh, what did I do? There we go. The cross for the blue. And then we align the middle colors together, just like that. All around. And then
You do this, then you do that, and then you repeat like that. So now we're at the last step, which is doing this, and then doing this again. And then go that way, this again, this one more time, one more time, but then that. Turn over, match the colors. There you guys go. I hope that helped you guys a lot. So I will try to do more videos for you guys. Just leave comments, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks for watching.